Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. So if you didn't know, we had QuailCon on our property at Myshire Farm this past weekend. So leading up to that, I was running around like a chicken with its head cut off. During the event, I was running around like a quail with its head cut off. And afterwards, I was running around like my head was cut off. I've just been pulled in so many directions. But yesterday I sat down and started doing my phone, and I was so backed up on text messages and voicemails and Facebook messages and emails and all that stuff that my emails actually crashed. So that's been recovered. I'll be working on that today. But I was texting people back, and here's the funny part. My phone sent me a notification saying that I was being put in timeout because they thought that I was a spammer because I was texting so fast to so many people that it wouldn't let me text anymore. So that's been fixed as well, but that's the first time that's ever happened. So I thought that was a little strange. So I just had to drop off about 3,000 ballots. And I'm going to go back into the house and start working on my phone again. Hopefully they won't think I'm a scammer or a spammer this time. So we'll see how that goes. But I thought that was a funny story I'd share. So if you're waiting for me to reply to you on something, I'm on my way. I promise I'm getting to it. And if you see anybody on Facebook or any comments, or if anybody says anything, just let them know I'm getting to it as quickly as possible. I promise. But I thought that was a funny story that my phone thought that I was a spammer. So, all right. Have a great day, everybody. And hopefully, if you've texted me, I will respond today. We'll see you.